In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Microsoft Teams in laptop. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along on any Windows laptop using the Microsoft Store. By the end, you'll have the Teams app installed and ready to open. First, open your Microsoft Store. You can do this by clicking the Start button on your taskbar and typing Microsoft Store, then selecting it from the results. If you see an icon that looks like a shopping bag with the Microsoft logo, that's the right one. Give it a moment to load. The store may check for updates in the background. Once the store is open, find the search box at the top and type Microsoft Teams. Press enter to see the results. You're looking for the official Microsoft Teams app published by Microsoft Corporation. This ensures you're downloading the genuine version. If you notice multiple results, choose the one simply labeled Microsoft Teams with the verified publisher badge and a solid rating. Click on Microsoft Teams to open its product page. Here, you'll see details like the description, screenshots, system requirements, and reviews. It's a good place to confirm you've got the right app before proceeding. If your laptop is up to date, there shouldn't be any compatibility issues. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the download goes smoothly. Next, click Install. On some systems, the button might say, "Get before it changes to Install." If you're prompted to sign in, use your Microsoft account to continue. You'll see a progress bar showing the download and installation status. If you ever notice the button says Update or Open, that just means Teams is already on your device or an update is available. You can proceed by clicking Open. Keep the store window open until the install completes and avoid putting your laptop to sleep during the download. When installation finishes, open the Microsoft Teams app. You can do this directly by clicking Open in the store or by going to the Start menu, typing Teams, and selecting the app from the list. The first launch may take a few extra seconds as it sets up. You'll be greeted by the welcome screen. From here, follow the on-screen prompts when you're ready to sign in and start using Teams. If you prefer, you can adjust basic settings like notifications after the first launch. That's it. Open the Microsoft Store, search for Microsoft Teams, select the official app, click Install, and open the app when it's ready. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Teams setup.